how to simulate physics in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, I want these books falling down on a table, and I simulate, and you can see this book is just started. And the first thing I will check the simulate physics, and here you can see it can check it. So I will select this book, Ctrl E, and open it. And now I will click collision, and you can see this remove collision is can click it, so it means don't have any collision. And I click this one and apply it, and now we have a new collision, and I save it. And you can see this simulate physics, you can check it and simulate again, and the book is falling down on the table. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.